Cut bell peppers, green beans, carrots, and cabbage into thin slices or strips. Slice 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and 1 large onion. In a pan, sauté chopped onion followed by garlic until fragrant. Add thinly sliced chicken breast and chicken liver. Season with salt and pepper. Cook until chicken is done. Add carrots and green beans first, followed by bell peppers and cabbage. Stir-fry the vegetables. Mix in 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon powdered seasoning. Add 1 cup of water and let it cook until the vegetables are done. Adjust seasoning according to taste. Once the vegetables are cooked, set them aside in a separate bowl. In the same pan, add 1 liter of water, if not using broth. Dissolve 1 chicken cube in the water. Add 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon Annato powder, and pepper. Bring it to a boil. Add the soaked bihon to the boiling broth. Ensure the bihon is well cooked. Once the bihon is cooked, add the previously cooked vegetables. Mix well. Garnish the Pansit Bihon with spring onions. Serve with sliced lemon or calamansi. And enjoy your delicious Pansit Bihon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.